Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated mirrorless cameras of the year, the Nikon Z7 III. A camera that represents Nikon's continued commitment to refining high-resolution full-frame performance while addressing the real-world demands of modern hybrid creators. And from the moment discussions around the Z7 III began circulating, it became clear that this model is not about flashy reinvention but about maturity, balance, and thoughtful evolution built on years of feedback from professionals who rely on their tools every single day. Building on the foundation laid by the Z7 series, the Z7 III feels like the camera Nikon always intended the line to become: a refined blend of extreme detail, dependable autofocus, improved low-light confidence, and video features that finally feel fully integrated rather than added as an afterthought. Nikon understands that today's creators are rarely just photographers or just filmmakers anymore. And the Z7 III reflects that reality by offering a platform that can move seamlessly between stills and motion without compromising quality or usability in either direction. From the outside, the Z7 III immediately feels familiar. And that familiarity is intentional, as Nikon has wisely retained the ergonomic DNA that made the Z-mount system so well regarded in the first place. With a deep sculpted grip that sits comfortably in the hand, excellent balance even when paired with large telephoto lenses, and a reassuring sense of solidity that professionals expect from a camera designed for long hours in demanding environments. The magnesium alloy chassis provides a robust backbone, while comprehensive weather sealing ensures confidence when shooting in rain, dust, snow, or extreme temperatures, making the Z7 III a reliable companion whether you're capturing landscapes at dawn, documenting wildlife in remote locations, or covering long outdoor events where conditions are unpredictable. The button layout continues Nikon's tradition of logical, muscle memory-friendly control placement, with tactile dials and buttons that are easy to operate without taking your eye away from the viewfinder. And the extensive customization options allow photographers and filmmakers alike to tailor the camera to their specific workflow. The Nikon Z7 III also places strong emphasis on workflow efficiency, which is something professionals increasingly value just as much as pure image quality. And this is evident in how Nikon has refined the camera's connectivity and file handling. The Z7 III supports high-speed USB-C transfer, allowing photographers and videographers to move large, raw files and high-bitrate video quickly to laptops or external drives, which is crucial on tight deadlines. Wireless performance has been improved as well, with more stable Wi-Fi connections for image transfer and remote shooting, and Bluetooth Low Energy maintaining a constant link to smart devices without excessive battery drain. For professionals working in studios, on set, or in live event environments, the ability to instantly send previews or select files to a client or editor can make a huge difference. And the Z7 III fits naturally into that kind of modern workflow. Nikon's SnapBridge ecosystem continues to mature, offering smoother background transfers and better reliability than earlier versions, while tethered shooting remains fast and dependable, especially when paired with Nikon's own software solutions. Storage flexibility is another area where the Z7 III feels thoroughly professional, featuring dual card slots that support high-speed Express and SD cards, allowing users to configure backup recording, overflow storage, or separate photo and video capture without compromise. This flexibility is essential for paid work, where redundancy can be the difference between a successful shoot and a disaster. Beyond hardware, Nikon's commitment to firmware support plays a critical role in the long-term value of the Z7 III. Nikon has shown with previous series bodies that it is willing to add major features long after launch, refining autofocus algorithms, unlocking new video formats, and improving overall performance through updates rather than forcing users to upgrade immediately. This philosophy builds trust, and professionals investing in the Z7 III can expect the camera to evolve over time, adapting to new demands and creative trends. Ergonomics also continue to shine during extended use, with the grip design reducing fatigue during long shoots and the button placement allowing muscle memory to take over, which is something Nikon users often praise. The tactile feedback of the controls, the logical menu system, and the customization options all contribute to a shooting experience that feels intuitive rather than distracting, letting creators focus on composition and storytelling instead of fighting the camera. The in-body image stabilization system deserves special mention, as it works in harmony with Nikon Z lenses to deliver up to several stops of compensation, making handheld shooting far more viable in low-light situations and reducing the need for additional support gear in many scenarios. This is particularly valuable for travel photographers, documentary filmmakers, and event shooters who need to stay mobile and react quickly. When combined with the camera's excellent dynamic range and color depth, the Z7 III allows creators to capture scenes with confidence, knowing they have ample latitude in post-production to refine their vision. For those working in mixed photo and video environments, the seamless transition between modes is another strength, with dedicated controls and menu options that minimize downtime and keep the creative flow uninterrupted. Audio support is robust as well, with clean preamps, headphone monitoring, and compatibility with professional microphones, making the Z7 III a capable tool for interviews, on-location sound capture, and run-and-gun filmmaking. Overheating management has also been carefully addressed, allowing longer recording times without the anxiety that often accompanies high-resolution video capture, which further reinforces the camera's reliability in real-world use. As a system, the Nikon Z mount ecosystem continues to expand, offering a growing selection of native lenses that take full advantage of the Z7 III's sensor and autofocus capabilities, along with excellent compatibility with legacy f-mount lenses via the FTZ adapter, preserving investments many photographers have built over years. This backward compatibility eases the transition for longtime Nikon users, while still encouraging exploration of newer optical designs that deliver edge-to-edge sharpness and improved optical performance. Ultimately, the Nikon Z7 III feels like a camera designed not to chase trends, but to serve working creators who need consistency, quality, and confidence every time they pick it up. It balances resolution with speed, stills with video, and innovation with familiarity in a way that makes it adaptable across countless genres and shooting conditions. Whether used for high-end commercial photography, demanding wedding coverage, wildlife expeditions, or cinematic video projects, the Z7 III positions itself as a dependable partner rather than just a piece of technology. It reflects Nikon's understanding that professional tools must fade into the background and simply work, delivering results day after day without compromise. For creators looking for a high-resolution full-frame camera that doesn't sacrifice versatility or reliability, the Nikon Z7 III stands as one of the most compelling options in its class, and it represents a confident step forward in Nikon's mirrorless evolution, reinforcing the brand's commitment to serious photographers and filmmakers who demand excellence without unnecessary hype.